Do you need an affordable, reliable, wheelchair accessible van? Your wait is over. The Patriot is now at Mobility Supercenter. The Patriot Rear Entry wheelchair accessible vehicle offers freedom, great value, and low maintenance. These rear entry vans are ideal for caregivers and offer many of the same benefits as our other wheelchair accessible vans at a much lower cost. The rear entry offers easy access for the person in a wheelchair, and the manual ramp is easy to open or close and requires very little maintenance compared to a motorized ramp. The interior of this van is neatly appointed and provides a comfortable ride for the wheelchair user. It is the perfect mix of accessibility, quality, and price. Built on a Dodge Grand Caravan chassis, this particular van has air conditioning vents in the back for added comfort. The passenger side door offers easy access to the rear seat. A center back seat was installed after the conversion to allow for 3 passengers, just as in a traditional van. The Patriot Rear Entry van has a beautiful interior and provides the freedom you need at an affordable cost. The sleek body style is pleasing to the eye. Inventory will move fast because of the affordability. Call Mobility Supercenter today and set up an appointment to see this exciting wheelchair accessible vehicle.